Hello and welcome! Today I would like to show you this interesting gadget which can be used not only while fishing but also when you fix things in the places where it's dark. This gadget is supposed to be waterproof and I'll have a look if that is true after I will unscrew this part to show you what's inside and fit it back. I will tell you my personal opinion and whether I will be using it in the end of the video, and will put links in the description if you would like to check and compare the price. Before I begin, you can like or dislike the video as your opinion really matters to me, and you can also subscribe to the channel if you would like to support it and see more fishing gadgets like this one and know how to use them. I publish my videos twice a week, on Mondays and Thursdays. What we have here is a 2 fingers waterproof lead glove. You put it on your thumb and index finger, but before I'll do that, I would like to unscrew this top part and have a look inside. As you can see, it has 2 CR 2016 batteries inside and a chip with wires over here. I don't see any rubber on the sides which would prevent water from getting inside, but it might not be required. Let us put it back together and put it on. What I would like to mention straight away is that if you have a big fingers, it might rip when you'll try to put it on. You turn it on and off by pushing this little button. I'll turn it on and as you can see, the lights started to flash. Let me turn off the big lights so that you could see for yourself if the lights of a glove are bright or not. In my opinion, the lights aren't too bright, but it is enough to tie hooks or search for something in your tackle box when it's dark. I wouldn't say that the fabric is of a top quality, but what can you expect for such a price? Let us put it into water and hold it there for about 5-10 seconds and then check if it will work. Okay, I think that it is enough, and now the moment of truth. As you can see, it works, which is great. I would say that it is a handy tool, not that you would definitely need it, but it would be nice to have one as you never know when you'll need one at home or while fishing. If you have any questions or suggestions, what would you like to see on my channel, leave a comment under the video and I'll try to reply to all of them, and I really hope that the time you've spent watching this video was useful. I would also recommend you visiting fishmadpro.com website where I share information about different fish species, lines, reels, rods and a lot of other stuff. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.